Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can delete prompt notes on your Instagram account. For that, open Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap on the chats icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to find your prompt note over here. If you want to delete it, tap on your prompt note. So here, if you tap on this, you're going to find your prompt note as well as the response. Now tap on your response. Here you are find two options. The first one is add a new response, and the second one is delete response. You want to tap on the delete response option over here. Once you tap on the delete response option, as you can see, your prompt note has been successfully deleted. Now if you want to add a new prompt note, then tap on chat icon. Tap on the your note option. And then select this question mark icon. And then go write a prompt note. And then you add in a response. Then tap on share. And as you can see, a new prompt note has been added. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.